Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to pay with cash on DoorDash. So I've been trying to figure out the answer to this problem. And what it essentially comes down to is that with DoorDash, it's a prepaid service. So you actually do have to pay before your order will be accepted. And the only way to do that is if you go into Me, and then you go into Settings, and then you go into Payment. These are all the payment methods that DoorDash accepts. So you have Apple Pay, Cash App Pay, Klarna, HSA, PayPal, credit, and debit card. So you can't use cash, unfortunately, but you can tip a driver cash, which is going to be outside of DoorDash. And what I've seen is that DoorDash is actually releasing a new update for select cities where cash will be available. But for some cities, for example, cash on delivery is only available if you actually order through those specific merchants. So for example, Papa John's, you would have to order through the Papa John's app in order to be able to pay cash. So it kind of sucks, in my opinion, especially for people who want to pay cash, but I've been trying to figure this out, and I hope this helps you out as far as trying to find a solution. But unfortunately with DoorDash, you do have to connect your credit card, Apple Pay, Cash App, or PayPal account in order to pay. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually fix this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.